Okay guys, with your helmets, we can always clean our helmets so we can pull out our cheek pads and etc. But we can never get to that dirt over there. All right, and that leaves your helmet really manky. So we've got this really cool product, spray foam cleaner, boots, helmets and kit. We're going to have a try and see how this stuff works, and we're going to give it a couple of tins away. So all this stuff can be chucked in the washing machine and washed and etc. Where this becomes a problem, you can't clean here. So let's have a bash at this foam cleaner. So we left it on for a little bit to penetrate and get in there. Let's give it a wipe off and clean up here. Cool. Done a nice job of cleaning up. It's not as dusty and as dirty as it was, and it smells pretty fresh as well. So to win a tin of this spray foam cleaner, like the video, subscribe and share it to your mates, and we'll do a draw next week.